another show with the Dougherty Dozen, and today is Mini Fridge Friday, where we are going to fill the mini fridges for my 11 kids. But first, coffee. Alright, I asked them this morning what they wanted in their mini fridge this week, and here's what they said.
Brownies, pudding cups,
Gatorade,
Fit Crunch protein bars,
M&M's, bacon,
Food Jar candy,
Airheads, yogurt, gumballs.
Let's go shopping. Ignore my broken nail. I'll get that fixed someday. Okay, I'm taking my van to Delta Sonic, which has been on my to-do list for a while. And so there's like a convenience mart gas station store. So we're gonna see how much of this stuff we can get there while my van's getting cleaned. Okay, van's getting cleaned. Let's see what we can find. Well, they do have Fit Crunch protein bars. M&M's. No gummy worms. No gumballs. Alright, I think I'll just get Deshaun's here, and then we'll have to go across the street once they're done with the van to the grocery store. Got cookie dough, peanut butter, milk, and cookies. So let's get some of each. All right, one down. Boom. Not related to mini fridges, but look how clean my van is. Ah! I love Delta Sonic. All right, let's go across the street to Tops. I was actually reading comments of my morning routine while I was waiting for the van, and you told me that Tops carries Wild Mike's Pizza, which I've been looking for forever. So let's get some of that too. This is another grocery store in our area. I don't really get here that much because it's not like super close to my house. It reminds me of the grocery store in Ocean City. Actually, it reminds me of HEB too. Airheads. Not sure if I'm going to find freeze-dried candy. Well, we might have to improvise for some of the kids. All right, some gum. All right, let's just get some candy for Jordan. Okay, let's get some brownies for Alex. Alright, just walk past this on the end cap. Cookies and cream brownies. Yes, please. That's what I'm looking for. Gatorade. See, I don't know where anything is in this store. Alright, we gotta find bacon, pudding cups, and more gum. Frozen pizza. Oh my gosh. Wild Mike's. I've not seen this in forever. Thank you, Julie Ward, for telling me. Yes, cheese. No. Oh wait, what's that back there? Supreme or pepperoni? Oh well, I'll get those two pepperoni at least. Alright, I guess we'll just grab some gum at checkout and I'll have to do. I think I have bubble gum at home randomly. Okay, I'm all checked out. It was $256.23. But I saved $28.95 with the Shoppers Club. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I have any quarters to get gumballs. Welcome to spring in New York. All right, we are back home. I'm gonna get everything sorted and we're gonna fill the fridges. I thought I had gumballs left over from a birthday party and I did. Let's go to the Blackstone. It's cold out. There we go. Chickens are mad at me like the snow is my fault. All right, they are all filled up. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you for restocking the kids' mini fridges with me. You are strong, you are beautiful, you are loved, you belong, and I am so proud of you. I'll see you next time.